Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get bushes and like trees in Heartopia. So you'll need to go to Bob's Furniture and you actually need to talk to Bob. Go to the special home decor store and here's where you can purchase these like building permits so you can make more than like one. However, you do need to gather like the items needed for it. So for instance, I want to build I want to get this conifer, is that how you pronounce it? You need like a few items to like actually craft that. So yeah, there's also some green screen wall if you wanted to add that to your house. I don't know. There are some other trees, some other bushes and stuff like that. But yeah, that is it for this video. Hold on, let me go home and I'll show you guys what I mean by that before I end this video so you guys are not confused on how you can actually apply it to your house. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to build mode. Alright, then you're just going to go to building materials and you're going to go to others and you'll see it here. You'll also see the materials needed to like get this tree and stuff like that. And you're just going to place it and voila, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!